So would you like to add the exponential moving average into TradingView.com? We can add up to 3 of this one totally for free if you have a free account. If you want to add more than 3, unfortunately we don't need to have more than a pro plan. So with that being said, what you want to do is to focus in here into your graphics. So what I'm going to do is to don't see this, hit into the X mark, and to the upper side, as you can see, we have the different indicators that appears into the section that says indicators. So I'm going to click in here where it says indicators, and I want to look for the moving average exponential. So if you don't see that, I want to type moving average exponential, and I'm going to be saving that into my favorites if I want to see this later in my actual work here. So I'm going to type here into moving average exponential, and as you can see, it has been added automatically. So if I type this once again, I can add up to 3. So if I try to add another one, it's going to be asking me to have a pro plan in order to continue. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can add the EMA. I can hit into the X mark. I can always go in here, closely input my mouse, and I can unhide, hide, and choose the settings section so I can change the input, the style, and the visibility of my specific moving average. So with that being said, guys, this is how we can add this into our own graphics. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more amazing tools about the TradingView totally for free. Thank you so much for watching the video, and I'll see you in the next one.